Imagine belonging to an organization so strict that one mistake, one failure, one moment of disrespect could cost you a piece of your own body. Not your freedom, not your money, your finger. This is the chilling real story behind the Yakuza ritual known as Yubitsume, a centuries-old punishment that forces men to carve away their own power, literally. Long before the Yakuza existed, Japan's old gamblers and outlaws, the Bakuto, relied on two things: their swords and their fingers. A missing digit meant weakness. A missing digit meant you couldn't grip your blade. A missing digit meant you needed protection. That protection could only come from the gang. So the ritual was born, a physical reminder that your life now depended on your boss. In the Yakuza, honor is everything. Fail a mission, disrespect your superior, lose money, embarrass the family. There is no apology deep enough, no letter long enough. There is only Yubitsume. The idea is simple but brutal. You remove part of your own finger to show you accept full responsibility. Not because your boss wants you to suffer, but because the ritual symbolically weakens you, making you more reliant on those above you. It is loyalty, fear, and submission, all carved into your hand forever. When a Yakuza member appeared with a shortened finger, everyone knew he failed, he owed, he was on thin ice. Some men had one joint missing, others had several. The more joints gone, the more mistakes, and the lower you fell in the hierarchy. Veteran members could read a hand like a resume. One joint missing, first major failure. Two, a serious betrayal or repeated mistakes. Three or more, someone living on borrowed time. The hand became a map of your sins. Ironically, Yubitsume didn't just mark you inside the underworld, it followed you forever. In Japan, missing finger joints are widely recognized. People would hide them with gloves, prosthetic fingertips, long sleeves, or custom silicone covers, because one glance could reveal your past. Some former Yakuza say the hardest part wasn't the ritual, but living with the world silently judging the hand that performed it. In modern times, Japan's police identify gang members by their tattoos and their missing fingers. To avoid attracting attention, Yakuza bosses began banning the ritual. Newer recruits rarely experience it. Old school bosses still demand it in extreme cases, but it's no longer standard. Still, inside the underworld, the legend of Yubitsume lives on, a terrifying reminder of a time when loyalty wasn't just earned, it was carved. The most shocking truth? The ritual wasn't created to punish pain, but to take away your strength, forcing you to rely on the gang for protection. In the Yakuza world, your hand didn't just hold your power, it was your power. And losing a piece of it meant losing a piece of yourself.